traders, and welcome to another exciting edition of our weekly XAUUSD and GBPUSD trading analysis. Okay? So I'm excited to be here with
dive
you
into my good
dive
projection
into the
XAUUSD.
world
It's very obvious that price
so in today's video,
yes,
we'll be
that's
dissecting
making
the
a
price
bullish
action for
movement
XAUUSD
for
and
a long time now,
GBPUSD.
and
Identifying
yes,
key
we can have our bullish
and
order block
potential
at this
levels
region.
of the charts and discussing potential strategies
So
for the
for me, I'm looking for
get ready to
price to
sharpen your
move
trading
to
skills,
the upside
gain
as
valuable
continue
insights,
bullish.
and
Yes,
stay
can
ahead
probably
of
be
the
a
curve
massive
in this
movement
fast-paced
to the upside. And then if we go
But
down
before we
to
get started,
a lower
be
time
sure to
frame,
click on the
that's a
subscription
4-hour time
button
frame,
just
you
below
can actually see
and
that
turn on the notifications.
the other
If not,
block
this might be the
is
last
actually
time you
more
hear from us.
refined
And do
in
well
this
to
area.
follow us on
Take it
all
off.
of our social media.
So,
we are on Twitter, we are on
you can see that
TikTok,
there's
we are
been a
even on
retracement.
YouTube,
That's
and
a
do well to
retracement from
follow us everywhere so you can stay
this
up to
area
date
into
with
this
price
bullish order
action
block.
and
Yes, so we can
market.
continue. Now, if I dive into my good projection XAUUSD, it's very obvious that price is bullish. Yes, that's making a bullish movement for a long time now, and yes, we can have our bullish order block at this region. That's this area. So from here, I'm looking for price to move to the upside as continue bullish. Yes, can probably be a massive movement to the upside. And then if we go down to a lower time frame, that's a 4-hour time frame, you can actually see that the other block is actually more refined in this area. Let me take this off. So you can see that there has been a retracement. That's a retracement from this area into this bullish order block. Yeah, so we can continue moving into the upward direction. So clearly it's still showing bullish energy, still showing bullish momentum. But since you can also have bearish movement, that sellers can also be involved in this move, you can expect price to give us this kind of pattern dance. As it's inside our bullish order block already, we can get a push to this area. Yes, then we can get a break. So until we get an overall failure of the demand, there is no clear sign that market is showing us that we should sell. Yeah, so we should also have it in mind that there are still other areas where we can still get buys from. Yes, this is another area where we can buy from. Yes, and there should also be an order block here in these areas. Yeah, so because of the upward movement that lasted for long, there are lots of unmitigated demand zone that price can tend to push from. Yes, so price can tend to push from here, and price can also decide to push from here too. So until there's a failure of demand, we should still expect more buying movements. So we can actually see in the 1 hour there are still lots and lots of unmitigated demand zones here that you can expect price to react from and move in the bullish direction. So let's go down to our GBPUSD. Now on GBPUSD, on our daily time frame, you can see that this bearish order block has finally been tapped in this particular one. That we waited for long to expect this bearish order block, and finally I get a tap in and you move to the downward direction. Yeah, so you can actually expect imbalances to be covered. That's fair value gap from this area. So you can expect price to respect this area and move to this direction and continue selling. Yes, or you can also expect price to still stretch itself further, yes, to this sort of areas before you can continue bullish. Yes, and you also know that okay, buyers still also have their zone to enter because there's still another unmitigated demand zone. So from these areas you can actually look for a push up to the upside, but not forgetting that the overall trend is bearish. So we should expect sales from here and probably a sell from this region as well. Yeah, so let me indicate this with red. and this red color as well. So the red color is showing us where you can actually sell from, and the green is showing us where you can actually buy from. That's bullish and bearish. So we can actually sell from this area here or this area, then you can actually buy from here or from here. So if price gets to this area, you can actually expect a overall massive bullish momentum. Yes, you can actually sweep. There is nothing impossible in trading. As traders, it's just to react to these areas. Yeah, so if I still go down to my 4-hour time frame, guess what am I saying? In the 4-hour time frame, it's already showing that price is about to respect this particular bullish area. That's this demand zone. It looks like price is already respecting it. They're going to get a change of character, then you can have an upside movement. So this our weekly forecast is literally just like a guide for each and every one that is trading, like a guide for you to see what you see that's going to probably happen during the week. So if you really want to get involved, that's why I implore everybody to, like, everyone watching this video, to join us at ChinesFX. Yes, that's our Telegram channel. That place we give updated signals day to day, and even if you are basically not a gold trader or you don't trade GBPUSD, there are also other amazing pairs where skilled traders actually post setups, and it will be very nice for you to, I implore everyone to follow up and start. So also, if you are here for the first time, I want you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, because this weekly forecast we always make them every, and literally they are very, very top notch, because if you go back and observe the weekly forecast we made for previous week, you see that price has actually paid more attention, or has been really attentive to the areas where we mark, and I'm sure this week it's going to be another profitable one for each and every one involved. Yes, so this is my overview for GBPUSD. We're going to have price react from this area or this area. So I also want you to follow us on our social media platforms: Facebook, Twitter, Telegram, Instagram, and TikTok as well. Yeah, because we all have lots and lots of informative facts for you to benefit from.